Hi, Dad. Do you have some New Year's traditions that you would like to share with your daughter? New Year's resolutions. A lot of us have a feeling that what's the point? What's the reason? And I've often felt, it's really better to plan and to have a plan rather than totally miss it. But the other thing that happens around the new year is you start to think about things and it just naturally, especially for guys, I think, because we like to plan, we like to know what's going on, we like to lean forward and look at the new year, but we don't like to look back and say, what happened last year or what's going to happen this year? Well, again, I would suggest that you move your daughter in this conversation, because one of the things we want to do is we want to be able to impart things to our daughters where it's head, heart, and core. We want to talk to her about skills. We want to talk to her about things that we enjoy, our hobbies, but we want to be able to have somehow to say, daughter, this is what my insight. This hits me all the way, all my being, head, heart, and core. And so New Year's Eve is one of those times where you say, wow, this is really who I am. This is what I'm really trying to do and what I'm hoping to accomplish. Because a year is a long time, and it's a reflection time. And you can't really go figure out where you're going if you don't know where you've been. Well, that can be true about your relationship with your daughter. If you have had a very rough relationship, I think it's a good time to talk and say, daughter, I kind of had screwed up. I had a bad year. Or whatever happened to you? I had a good year. Boy, we had some great things that happened. And so here's what I'm thinking and hoping can happen this year. And the phase that she's in her life, whether that she's in the hero dad stage or she's in the 520 window when she's a teenager, or if you're moving into that stage where she's an adult daughter and wanting to have the relationship with you of the world's greatest dad. Wherever it is, it's a really good time of the year to say, daughter, this is kind of how I see you, and this is kind of how I see me, and this is how we can fit together and work together and have a great new year. So those times of reflection and understanding the stages and the stage that you're in with the relationship with your daughter, and what happened last year and what happened this year and what you hope to happen. But getting at that level where it's your thoughts and your heart and your core, that part of you that's really you. What a great time and what a great chance to say, it's the new year. I just wanted to let a little bit of me out. So you can see me. This is really me, daughter. And you're hoping. Because one of the ways for you to hear what she's thinking is you get it started and model it and say, daughter, this is really me. And you don't have to say, you don't have to prompt her. You can if you want to. But when you reveal yourself, it's just natural. You go, Dad, here's what I'm thinking. And here's the goals I have. And the things I'd like to see happen in the father-daughter relationship we have. And I'm afraid, or I'm happy, I feel this, I think that. What a great time. What a great time to let the calendar help you get a great relationship with your daughter. What a fun time. I love the new year. Thanks for stopping by.